first.
Go ahead.
Daddy's cheating.
How much? You can't cheat this game. Right there. My turn.
Are you recording?
Yep.
Okay.
Look good.
I'm gonna win.
All right. You go first.
Yeah.
I already won.
Nope. You're not ready.
Oh.
No.
Oh, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay, one more game. One more game. Where should I go, Justin? Damn.
Huh?
Damn. Cat's game. Whoever wins gets $6. That's the prize. You ready, Justin?
No.
Just so you guys know, we're going to be doing yoga outside. I have extra mats. It's 30 minutes, and then we do a story at the end. So if you want to participate, no pressure. Just let me know. It starts in 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
You see the prize?
Yeah.
The prize. Y'all see the prize? It's the prize.
All right.
Who gonna win? Mommy versus son. Who gonna win? Who gonna win the prize? Who gonna win the prize? Who gonna win?
Who gonna win?
Who gonna win the prize? Who gonna win? Who gonna win? Who gonna win?
Bow, ta-da, watch out now. This little one. Okay, let's do it one more time.
It's rigged.
One more time.
I should win our own money back. I should win our own money back.
Okay.
Go. Try to mess up, try to go fast. Lose. Go real fast, go.
Please have your attention. In about 10 minutes, my time story time family yoga will begin outside on the children's play yard. If you have a child and are interested in attending,
Cat's game.
Nobody wins. That one. That one. Somebody died at Daddy. Right there. Middle.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, no, she been out.
No, that's cheating. Yeah, right there. There.
Look, right
No,
there.
no.
Ooh.
Like that, mommy, right here.
Ooh.
One more time. One more time. You can't do that. You can cheat.
How about cheat? How about cheating?
Mommy, right there.
Hold on. Who turn is it?
Mommy, you almost done.
Hold on, who turn is it?
You got one more turn, mommy.
No, who turn is it?
Mommy.
Who's that? Yeah.
I know.
Who turn is it, Justin?
Mom's turn.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Because
it can't be.
mom got one.
No, it can't be.
Yes, it is.
It can't be, Justin.
Mommy won. No, it's mom's turn.
No, it can't be her turn, Justin.
It is.
It's your turn.
It's my turn, Justin.
How you doing that? You're not going first next time. One
What
more
you
time.
mean?
Nuh-uh. I'll go first. I go first.
Daddy,
First.
All right, go ahead.
Daddy cheating.
How am I cheating? You can't cheat this game. Whoa. Right there. My turn. Hold on.
That's mommy's.
Mommy cheated.
No, you did not.
Yes, she did. You can't get him. I'm sad.
Mommy won. My turn.
Justin won $2.
Are you kidding me? Give me your money back.
Nope, that's your money. You
No,
won
no,
that
no,
fair
no.
and square.
No, your money has to go for the field trip.
Yeah, I get it back. Here, show me how much you made. You won zip. I won zip. Good job.
Eat for lunch.
Well, I did make some sandwiches, and I have some sauce to go with it, like chips, carrots and stuff, and a cookie. So I got that. This is my day with the president's daughter. Oh yeah, my day with her. This is my day. You remember that movie, The President's Daughter?
Yeah.
Date with the president. You remember that for real?
Mm-hmm.
Nuh-uh, you do? You do?
Move it.
Yeah. We was at the library. Now we're leaving.
Library.
Yeah, because Justin had a field trip
Library.
that we wanted to go on, and we didn't fill out the proper forms for us to go, so he couldn't go because we couldn't go. So we came over here to the library, played just a little bit, but he didn't want to stay around because there's a lot of babies here. So we're just gonna go. Where we going, baby? I don't know. Probably go home or something.
Wherever car take us.
Wherever the car take us.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to Orlando.
All right. SeaWorld?
No. That bodyguard ain't got nothing else better to do. I mean, security guard. You want this, Justin? Have some.
Oh, yeah.
But just sit there in that window. Ketchup? Yeah. Check in that bag and see if I got any ketchup.
Yeah.
All right, come on.
Is the Krispy Kreme tools back?
No.
This not big enough.
Come on, Justin. We're going to go tour some chocolate. Justin's going to be with us for the rest of the day. So, we're just trying to find something to do. We're going to be touring this right here. Can you see
Just
it?
like on that field trip, we want to list up more on the computer.
Yeah. We're going to tour some chocolate. Is Angel and Phelps Chocolate Factory. We can go and look how they we can go watch how they do the chocolate, how they make the chocolate. Oh look, she giving out samples over there, Justin.
Free?
Oh look, that's bacon.
Oh, we got chocolate free.
Bacon chocolate.
It's a dark chocolate.
I got $4.
We're gonna try a free sample, okay?
This?
Yeah.
Brownies?
No, we can just go back there actually. We can just go back there.
Free?
Try a sample. Yep.
It's not free.
Yeah. Chocolate covered strawberries. Single strawberry, $2 half the pie.
How are you?
Would you like to try today?
Which one would you like to try?
I got some caramels, pretzels, potato chips, and a dark
I'm
chocolate.
get one.
One, yeah. Just to try it. It's a
You want
sample.
a cream?
I want that one.
A caramel.
Yeah.
Dark or milk?
Yeah.
The milk
The
one, yeah.
milk one?
Thank you.
Thank you.
What you think? Hold on. Good. Okay, you want to go try the
Did you want to eat the samples, sweetie?
yeah,
For kids.
yeah. I'll try the potato
Milk
chips.
chocolate chip.
Yeah.
And
Same here,
for
man.
you?
That's mine.
Chips.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Mm. Mm.
You can just feel free to walk all the way down the hallway, look into the kitchen. I see the walls.
Mm.
Is your chocolate priced by weight or?
Yes, it starts at $23.94 a pound.
Mm. Oh, look at chocolate over here.
Best seller, man. Go to.
Look at all that chocolate. What are you doing over there? I'll go on this one. You see it, Justin?
Yeah.
Oh, where's the chocolate? There's some chocolate right here.
Right here.
I see it. What's all it going? A lot of chocolate.
But they're brownies good too. Brownies.
Mmm.
This is probably the place to work at, huh?
Oh yeah. Remember Shannon used to work here? Let's go to the next one, Justin.
What you say?
That's actually a doggy treat.
What? The dogs?
White chocolate doggy treats.
Oh, animals.
Maybe. Look at the molds for the
Yeah.
rabbits. But look at that chocolate over there.
Well, I know where we can finish our venture today. We can go to the Humane Society for the dogs.
Babe.
That's the clear one, baby.
Ooh. You have to say it loud too. You making brownies over there? Oh, you can really see this one over here. I don't know what it's doing. That's a lot of chocolate. You see it?
Where'd I get it from? Just come melted?
Make it. Welcome, friends. Look at that baby with his face in the chocolate. That's how you look, babe.
All the different
All that chocolate in the boxes.
What, they dry this probably?
Did something.
Your phone make it look so much better. Through the phone, actually.
Did you want to get some out of here?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
And acquired taste.
That cost $2.
So much.
Those are rock candy pops. Then they got the
Sort
chips.
of like chocolates, caramels. How do you guys have it all set up?
All of our, everything in our display, you can buy it by the piece and no way at the register. It doesn't come off the $23.94 a pound.
Oh, I don't like those. Those are disgusting to me. But they look pretty though.
It's a variety of
No.
tastes, like I
I think it looks like $8.
Easter eggs
Oh,
are
yeah.
on sale today. Buy one, get one free.
$9.25.
Along with the piece of petals. We'll have it some keeps and petals. And buy one, get one.
Easter decoration still.
Those chips are really good. Those are great.
At number one seller. Oh, yeah.
Choo-choo.
So you want the gummy worms?
Yeah.
Okay.
Those, you know those girls that they used to buy?
The Ghirardelli? Yeah, but they don't have those.
I know, but they got caramels though, man. They got caramels still. You know what I'm saying?
Ready? Let me watch.
Don't you like caramel candies?
I do, but I don't see none. Do you have chocolate with just caramel in it?
Yeah, see? So you gotta look at it.
Oh, okay, I see. Oh, could I get regular caramel? Just one. Yeah.
What's the difference?
You got a lot of good stuff here.
What's that? That's the milk truffle.
I think you're still deciding.
That's the milk truffle. Oh, there's the milk say mum truffle.
Okay.
Milk chocolate truffle. What is this? Coconut cream. This is coconut, no coconut. What is it, bitch?
Almond butter crunch.
What's that? White chocolate. What's that?
They got orange cream, chocolate cream,
French. What is it, bitch? What is it?
white chocolate pecan honeybee, and the cashew honeybee, the
What?
turtle.
Which one did I get? The white chocolate one?
You got this one right here, the buckeye.
I got one or two though. I got a trouble, didn't I? I mean the turtle, didn't I?
Yeah, you got a turtle.
I got two.
I don't know which turtle you got, the cashew or this one down here.
Huh?
There's only two in there, man.
I know. I got a buckeye and I got a turtle. Right?
But I wanted, she got,
I know. Oh, which,
but you didn't get the turtle.
oh, tell them which.
I was going home or something. You had the bag with goodies? Heading home.
What?
Justin, can I have mine?
Yeah.
I don't know which one it is, do you?
Yeah, the caramel square. That ain't better than Ghirardelli.
The buckeye good.
You way too much.
That's the buckeye, bitch.
No, it's not. It's the caramel. This is the caramel squares that I got out of the chocolate factory. Let me try it.
That's the buckeye.
This?
Yeah. Thanks. Go ahead, man. Go ahead. Go ahead. That's yours.
I know.
Oh, this the buckeye?
Yeah.
Oh, this
Look at it.
They look different. Okay.
Something is in my eye. Trying to take my chocolate and everything.
Well,
Open. Now please open, Mommy.
Oh.
Hey, Mom, what if people always smoke so much? When
That's me, huh? That's you, huh? You need 1 second, huh?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know why people choose to do that. I know we don't want to do that. That's enough for you? Babe?
Mm-hmm. No.
This ain't better than
No,
Ghirardelli. Good. But like I said, you know who hold the title to this. Yeah, we finna head home. Probably do some work around the house. Get some things done. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. It very thick, the caramel.
Yeah.
But it's not nasty or anything.